Good morning, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So I have my sit down CVS haul. So you guys have spoken and you guys have said you really enjoy this casual sit down talk about the deals. So that is what we are doing. And I also heard you guys have asked me, Gina, you guys have said, Gina, can you please do a breakdown for me? So you asked, and now I'm giving to you. So you guys are now gonna have breakdowns with these individual deals, because you know what? I can sit and do breakdowns while I'm watching Netflix. That is not hard work. So I'm gonna be doing that. So you asked, and I got my inspiration from designer Jen. She does a little end card after her deals. So that's what I'm gonna be doing to help you guys out. So first transaction, I had no extra care bucks to go into any of these transactions. So my first transaction I had 0 extra care bucks, but I did have a 40% off coupon for L'Oreal Cosmetic, any L'Oreal Cosmetic, and I had a 10% off coupon that was emailed to the card. So I'm gonna jump into it. So the first thing I did was the L'Oreal deal. So in my in-store couponing video, I asked you guys, do you want me to try out this new product from L'Oreal? So this is the L'Oreal Hydra Genius. You guys said, yes, Gina, try it out. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I picked up the Hydra Genius 72-hour instant continuous hydration, and it is matte, so it's not gonna leave my face looking really greasy with the hydration. So this was priced for $19.79, but I had that 40% off coupon, so it took off $12.44. So it was a CRT that printed last week that I applied this week. And then I picked this up. This is the L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub. So I got this, and it was $11.29. And then my 10% off email coupon took a total of $1.87 off. So I paid $18.07 for both, and then I got a $10 extra care bucks. So I thought that was a really great deal for some L'Oreal skincare. So I picked that up. And then my second transaction, I went ahead and did cosmetic deals. So I did the Physicians Formula. So Physicians Formula is spend 15 and get 10. And you guys are seriously great detectives, because in my in-store couponing video, you guys said, Gina, look behind you. There's the Physicians Formula gift set. So I picked this up. So it was priced for $14.99. So when you spend 15, you get a $10 extra care buck. My CVS, it actually triggered the extra care buck, which I was surprised, because normally it doesn't, even if it's a penny under, but maybe they changed some stuff. But you guys know I love the Healthy Lip lip glosses, so I picked up the whole entire set. So this was $14.99. And then I also did the Wet n Wild deal. So I picked up the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. There's an SPF 15. It was $8.99. And then I picked up a Wet n Wild clear nail polish. It was $1.59. And Wet n Wild is on a spend 8, get $5 in extra care bucks. And then I had a 4 off 18 CRT. And then I used the $10 extra care buck I earned from the L'Oreal deal. So I paid $5.24, but then I got back $15 total in extra care bucks. So I got $10 from the Physicians Formula, and I got $5 from the Wet n Wild. So I went ahead and cashed out all of my extra care bucks in this transaction. So I picked up a EUCERIN baby wash. So this was $9.49 and I had a $2.50 off coupon. There's a printable $2 off coupon. There were no extra care bucks attached to this, but Tanner ran out of body wash. So I went ahead and picked this up. So he has really sensitive skin. So I picked this up. And then I also picked up a DIGORNio pizza for dinner tonight. So this was $8.19. So I used that $2.50 off coupon. So I also had a 2 off 8 body wash CRT, and then I had a $15 total in extra care bucks from the Physicians Formula and Wet n Wild deals. So I paid a total of 92 cents. So I basically paid tax on that guy. I went ahead and did another deal, and I didn't have any more extra care bucks to use. So I did the Maybelline deal. So Maybelline is on a buy two and get a $5 extra care buck. So I didn't want to go freebie because I needed to replenish my foundation stock. So I picked up the Maybelline Super Stay foundation. So this is priced for $11.99. So there is a $3 savings star when you buy the Super Stay. This is a full coverage. It says it's supposed to last up to 24 hours. So I picked that up. And you can do the stick foundation. You can do the concealer. There's a lot you can pick from. And then I also picked up the Great Lash. I went ahead and went with the clear because I like using clear as like a brow gel when I have lazy days. So there's also a savings star for $2 back on any Maybelline mascara products. So I picked those two up. And then I had a 2 off 12 CRT for cosmetics that I applied. And then I had a 3 off 1 Maybelline CRT everyone should be getting from the Red Machine. So I used that. And then I had a $1 extra care buck that was on my card I sent it to my email, I guess, and I forgot about it. So I paid $13.30 and then I got $5 back in extra care bucks. So for 2 cosmetic items that I needed, I thought that that was a pretty good deal. So yeah, that was my CVS haul. So I thought I did pretty well. Also thought it was really good with the Maybelline. So I actually found out about the savings star offer from couponer from Brooklyn. So thank you so much for posting that on your Instagram, because I would have had no idea, because my butt was in bed watching Netflix and I was telling myself, Gina, you probably should get out to CVS, because I did need to get a pizza and I did need to get Tanner some more EUCERIN baby wash. Tanner has terrible eczema. If I use the Johnson & Johnson on him, he like breaks out in a rash. So I need to be really careful with what I am actually putting on his skin. So I definitely needed that. I didn't want to spend the 30 get 10 on the Cetaphil, only because I just didn't want to do that. So I went ahead and picked this up for him. And if you guys want me to review it and let you know like how his skin reacts, let me know, because I know you guys have little ones that have skin sensitivities as well. And then I will be reviewing this for you guys too, the L'Oreal Hydra Genius. So I really hope you guys had those 40% off coupons. So I hope everyone has a fantastic day with whatever you are doing. And I will talk to you guys all later. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.